Hi guys! For a few days the temperature have been bitterly cold and are at 0 or sometimes far below 0 degrees. So friends of mine have recently asked me again and again whether flying a drone in these cold temperatures is a problem or not. At the moment I only fly the DJI Mini drones, which is the DJI Mini 2 and the DJI Mini 3 Pro, and therefore I can just give you advice and information mainly for these drones. However, you can assume that the information also applies to other drones. Okay, right before you know it, if you like the channel, then help us to grow and subscribe. So the first question, is it safe to fly a drone in freezing temperatures? If we look at the product information of the mini drones, we will quickly see there are differences. Okay, so while the operating temperature of the Mini 2 are specified from 0 to 40 degrees, they are between -10 and 40 degrees for the Mini 3 Pro. So if you really want to be sure, follow for sure these manufacturer instructions. Nevertheless, I fly both drones at -degrees and can tell you with clear conscience that the technology of both drones is safe to fly, okay? What should you pay attention to when flying in winter times? If the air humidity is high, the clouds altitude is low, but the temperature are very low as well, ice can form on your propellers, okay? This changes for sure the weight of the drone, the rotation of the propellers can change accordingly, and the motors and the engines could overload. This can lead to a change in the flight behavior of your drone, and in the worst case for sure to crashing your aircraft. Ice can also form in front of the camera lens, which means that you can no longer control the drone properly because you lose sight. It is therefore advisable to avoid flying through clouds and fog as much as possible at this time of the year. So my recommendation, and this is also the recommendation of DJI, so the manufacturer, is to start a flight date with short test flights. So it's best to just fly a few meters up and let the drone hover a little bit, okay? Then land it again and check if ice has formed anywhere, so on the propellers or on the lens. In addition, there's a very positive effect because it also causes the batteries to heat up. But more about the batteries right now. How does the low temperature affect the batteries of the drone? Temperatures have a major impact on the drone's batteries, so you have to be prepared for the fact that the information in the DJI Fly app might be incorrect and can change erratically, okay? So always be ready to react to unforeseen battery reports in the app. So don't fly too far away from your location. Basically, DJI specifies the charging temperature of the batteries with 5 to 40 degrees Celsius. The optimal charging temperature should probably be around 25 degrees. For you, this means that a low temperature, you have to ensure that the battery are warmed up accordingly if you want to charge them. Anyway, it's not a good idea to charge your battery outside during these freezing temperatures. So the best idea is to charge your batteries at home, okay? Or minimum in your car in a bag. Before I put the batteries into my drone, I already warmed them up in my jacket pocket. This is what I'm doing every time before going outside and start flying. This is the minimum what you should do if you want to avoid any kind of malfunction, okay? Always look for a way to warm the batteries up to at least 5, preferably 10 degrees beforehand. And finally, for sure, take care of yourself, because you are the pilot, and if you make mistakes, your drone will also behave incorrectly. Therefore, make sure that you can use your fingers every time properly, okay? I always use gloves and make sure my fingers are warm. But now we want to enjoy the wonderful nature and take some Beautiful shots in the frost. In the last few days the sun was fantastic and offered great lightning condition. So let's see what footage we can take. Here we go right now. Okay, here are the do's and don'ts as bullet points. Do keep your hands warm. Do keep the battery up to 10 degrees. Do check the battery information in the Fly app. Do a check for ice on the props and lens. Do a test flight before. Don't fly through fog. Don't fly through clouds. Don't fly far away. Don't recharge your batteries outside. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, smash the like button, drop me a comment below and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day. See you. Bye bye.